finished eating. Let's go do some driving. It's kind of hot outside. Last time I uploaded was about 3 months ago. I haven't been able to make videos because I've been having issues with my rear end. So basically, the the pinion gear, it's like a big gash in there where the bearing sits. So basically, there was no tension in the bearing, so the bearing was just freely moving, could freely move. So because of that, the rear end's been making so much noise, and I've been having crazy vibrations, and it started getting worse and worse over time. At first, I was able to drive to 60. I won't feel any vibrations up until 60, and then more and more time goes on. It's been going down to 50, all the way down to 40. So in those 2 months, I've been waiting to find another 8.8 because I thought that would be more simple for me to do. So I finally found one. It's stock 327s, and it's the stock the stock LSD. So I can't really do much drifting with that. I probably hit a few donuts, but that's all I can do. Those LSDs are just not really good for drifting. So yeah, finally I fixed it about 2 weeks ago, or last week. Yeah, 2 weeks ago I fixed it. I've replaced it. The car feels a little slower because the gears I had before were 373s, and yes, it's not that bad, to be honest. So yeah, just gonna make some driving POV content. I lost my GoPro. Actually, I got an angle kit, and I got a GoPro. I lost my GoPro, so all the videos that I made with that, I just lost it. So yeah, man. So it's probably gonna be another month before I start drifting again, till I re-weld my diff so I can start drifting again. Yeah, let me just show you the car real quick. Alright, there you go. There it is. Like I said, I installed the angle kit. It's good so far. It's been like 3 months. Literally, like the week after I tested the angle kit, the rear end took a shit on me. So that's what it looks like. It has about negative 4.5 degrees of negative 4.5 degrees of camber. Caster is about 5. It's pretty good, better than stock. Stock is like 3 degrees. Yeah, that's really it. I put the angle kit on. I did test it. I will put some videos on it. yeah, man, this thing's still looking clean, beautiful. Like the first day I bought it. Look at it, man. So beautiful. This is my favorite style Mustang. This is my favorite. The next video I want to do is show you the exhaust. So right now I don't have anybody with me, so I can't record any outside POVs. And I really don't want to leave my camera outside. Somebody might take it. I don't want that happening. So anyway, let's continue making some POVs. Damn, that shit super close to my face. Okay, gonna get some, see if I can get some donuts in this spot real quick. Or in the warehouse that's nearby me. Yes sir, let's get it. Alright, like I said, I'm using my iPhone 13 Pro Max. I'm using 0.5 POV. Tried second gear burnout with the stock 227s, and it could do it, but with the 373s it was way better. Alright, hopefully there's nobody around. Of course my car dies. Speed bumps all over this warehouse to deter people from drifting or doing anything. It's pretty lame, honestly. Boys. Shit sucks with the stock LSD is just terrible.